my channel. Long time no see. Tomorrow is my birthday and I am in Miami. No big deal. I just got to the hotel. The hotel's under renovations basically, and they really shouldn't have really letting people book it, but I guess I got to pay for it some way somehow. So I ain't too happy about the hotel, but the backyard is this. This is my backyard for the week. Isn't it gorge? Yeah, so I want to put my feet in the water. I'm fully dressed, like straight off the plane dress, but I gotta get in there. I'm trying to get in there. You mind recording me? What you about to do? You gonna go get your feet wet already? Okay. Just gotta go get in. And waves heavy, babe. They heavy. Woo! I'm coming down where? You crazy? Is you crazy? Yeah, run up out of there. She running. She mad. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ty. Happy birthday to you. Woo! She's 23 today. These glasses, it's doing too much. I gotta record myself because the people I'm with suck. Let's see. This tests your heartbeat. Moving. There we go. This is my heartbeat. Yes. Welcome to my house. Okay, do this. You can look right in there. It's so much light.
Yeah.
And
That's exactly what I was gonna put.
I know it. My eyes starting to get.
It's bright.
Yeah. What's that?
Okay, you. Now you gotta stand next to it. Alright. We got it.
What's her?
Alright, now what I'm gonna put since you took it. I got it. I just gotta dig it out.
And they kind of connect to using these files.
Wow. 3,000. This is the Big Kahuna. Happy birthday, Tarisha. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know, girl.
This is gonna go.
I ain't even try.
That is so nice.
I'm not blowing that. Do we blow that?
Look at me.
That's where.
So it's 2 a.m. It's 2 a.m. We're back at the hotel hella early because my friend got sick at the bar. I don't remember if I recorded any footage, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm just roaming the streets with my mom, thugging it out because my friend lame. She in the bed lame. So yeah. My goodness, look at that one. Huge.
You got to be crazy. Good, how are you tonight? Thank you, sir.
Look it up, Poppy. Look it up, Poppy. Look it up, Poppy. Look at him. He a model. Get it. Get it. Smile in the mirror. Try to take a picture and not flip the camera. Pretty. Thank you.
What we looking at?
Okay.
One time for
Yeah.
the birthday bitch.
Hey.
Two times for the birthday bitch.
Right on.
20 times for the birthday bitch.
There you go.
Fuck it up if it's your birthday.
Thank you.
Fuck it up if it's your birthday bitch.
Uh-oh.
Birthday bitch.
Uh-oh. One time for the one time.
Hey.
Slide on the pit gang on my booty rack. Lot of gang, lot of pictures in the ice and shit.
Found a coconut. You gotta cut the whole top off of her. Huh. Need a hatchet. Chop the top off. What you gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do? I'm finna in my mouth. Oh boy. Did you taste it? Yeah, it tastes like coconut water. Yeah. I don't like coconut water. Yeah. Okay. Toss it in the trash. I want to keep it. Okay. Do they go bad? I don't know. We'll have to Google it. On the ground. You want to see what it's gonna splash? Ready? All the water of the coconut. Nasty. Nasty. Oh, based of a perfectly good coconut. It's some more in there. It's healthy. It's some more. Don't make me feel bad. Mm-hmm. And is. Yes. Ah! And she's really spitting it out. I don't like coconut water. Was it not ripe enough? I don't know what that. It tastes like it if you buy it. Alright, Barbie grab a piece of mine. I got a piece of yours. Alright. Should I get the one? The man watching. Ice Terror. They didn't cancel my layover due to the weather. Now I'm in this long line.